All of our carnivores here get chicken and beef 6 days a week, and you heard that correctly. They only get fed 6 days a week. And that is because in the wild, when they go out and hunt, they typically gorge on whatever they can find, and then they don't hunt for a few days. So that's just to kind of mimic that as well. But thankfully none of our guys are fasting today, so if you guys are here at 2:30 for the carnivore feeding show, you will see our hyenas, our wolves, and our cougar eat as well. I don't think she's going to leave this corner. She usually likes to stay in a corner. So far I've asked her to do one of each, and then Matsuri, I think all he's going to give us is that one paw, and he laid back down, but he does know that open mouth behavior.